Hi guys, welcome back. I have a really fun video today because I'm gonna talk about all the beauty treatments I've been doing at home during quarantine. I wanted to do this video because I really think, there are a lot of beauty treatments that I just cannot wait to go get done by somebody else. But now there are also beauty treatments that I'm getting really good at, and I'm really excited because there was a time when I was really good at doing all of my own beauty treatments, but I got used to going out and getting a lot of these treatments done. So I'm gonna share with you the things that I've been trying and the things that I'm really good at, I think. So the first treatment I've been doing at home is IPL laser hair removal. You guys have heard me talk about this before. It is the Kenzzi. It is an IPL device that's intense pulse light. The team actually got in touch with me not too long ago to see if I had been using it while in quarantine, because you guys have heard me talk about the Kenzzi more than once actually, and I have been using it, and I was going off and on with it, but I'd seen some really great results because I was using it under my arms, because that's usually where my hair is the thickest on my body, and I really wanted to just stop shaving if I could altogether. And while I haven't completely stopped shaving, I really only shave like every 2 weeks or so. So they got in touch and they're like, can you show us some pictures and stuff? And I didn't have any pictures to show you guys. So they've challenged me to continue doing it very diligently and then show you guys some before and after. So I stopped using it on my right side and I have only been using it on my left side, and then I've actually started using it just all over my body because why not? I've got the time to do it. This device has been made specifically for at-home use, and it's not really meant to stop hair growth completely, but what it does instead is it really slows down the hair growth. It makes your hair softer and you get less hair over time. So I've really enjoyed using this. I'm one of those people that, especially now that I'm done with pregnancies, I really want to just be as hairless as possible because why not, and go get all the treatments that I can do. So this has been really great to have at home because it's very easy to use. When it arrives, you get a box and it comes with the device, the actual handheld device. It also comes with the charger that you use for it, and it comes with really great instructions because sometimes these types of at-home treatments are really hard to understand, and this one is very easy. It even shows you what level you should start at depending on your skin tone. It's very, very easy to use. You're just gonna plug it in and then you press the power button, and then you can actually adjust the setting. So when I first started this, I was a major chicken because I was worried that it was gonna sting. It actually doesn't, but I started on the lowest setting and I started to work my way up to the top settings, and that's where I'm really seeing the difference now, is when I got past that middle setting. That's when I start to truly see a difference. But I did get started. It's like it's giving you training wheels by having the lower setting, and it's very easy to use. You're just going to place it on your skin. You should do a little patch test just to see what level you can handle, and then you just hold it down and then you glide. It's very, very easy to use. If it doesn't flash, it's because you actually lifted it off of your skin a little too much, even if it's slight. So you just want to keep it moving and keep your fingers on it, and it's very, very easy to use. It takes me like 2 minutes to do my underarms, and then I'm done and I'm on to my next thing. It's also just a really great price. It's $229, which we all know can be the cost of just one session at a med spa. I also got you $50 off with the code MM50. I'll leave all the information below in the description box. It's a great device to have at home, even if you're between sessions or taking time off from getting it done professionally. This is a really great device to have at home to really maintain your results, because you have to maintain your results. You use it once a week, and once you really start to get into the higher settings, you will see a difference. So like I said, I stopped using it on my right underarm, and I'm only using it here. I'm using it on the rest of my body too, but for picture's sake and for proof, I'm gonna have another video by the end of the summer where I show you the difference between my underarms. All right, next up, the treatment I've been doing at home, and I'm really excited about it, is this. It's the Obagi Clinical Blue Brilliance Triple Acid Peel. I told you guys about this in my Sephora video when we were talking about the Sephora savings event. I kept being like, I'm gonna use this, but then I kept chickening out because the word peel just seems really scary. But at the same time, I knew that this was, one, made for at-home use, and two, it's Obagi Clinical, so I know it's a good brand and they're gonna take care of everybody when they send something out there like this. So I was really excited about it, but I was nervous, and I finally got around to doing it, and it's been awesome. I actually did one of these just a few days ago, and my skin is totally fine. I'm vlogging the whole thing for my personal channel, so you guys will get a chance to see how it went. A couple notes about this: it has lactic acid in it, it has glycolic acid in it, it has salicylic acid in it, so that's why it's triple acid peel. It does have a really strong tingle, and when I say tingle, I mean it feels like it burns a little bit when you first put it on. You have to apply one full vial on your face, but you do it in 2 applications. The first application, you just kind of put it on and you're like, how's this feel? Can I handle more? So then you use the rest of the vial on your face, and that second layer is the one that really starts to tingle pretty hard. But once you get past, you have to like take a deep breath, and be like, I can get through this. And then when you're like 2 minutes in, it's all completely fine. And then you neutralize it with some water, rinse it off of your face, and then you just kind of baby your skin for the next couple of days. You can use it every 2 weeks, so I'm gonna use another vial. It comes with 4 vials altogether, so you've got 4 treatments. I'm really excited to see what happens with my melasma and my hyperpigmentation, and if it helps to lighten it a little bit more until I can actually get in for a professional treatment. I'm thinking about getting that Jesner's peel when everything's all cool and said and done. I've also been very diligent with my sunscreen because I know I'm trying to baby this face. All right, another thing that I feel like I'm getting really good at, I always knew I was really good at it, but I'm getting even better at it, is doing my own nails at home. One of the first kits that I got actually was this. This is by Olive and June. It's actually a collab I found out after the fact with Bella. So it's a really exciting one, and it's such a fun set. It has everything that you basically need for your own mani-pedi, even if you want to do a little bit of cute art, which I'm not going there yet, but I love all the colors. I'm wearing one of the nail polish colors right now, and you guys have been asking about all the different colors I've been wearing on my nails in my videos and stuff. It's been mostly this set because this is where I've been like venturing in. It has everything you need too. It's got, you know, like nail polish remover, it has a little brush, it has nail files. It's all very cute, very pretty, very on brand for them. But then I also just got this. It is this set by Orly. It's a gel set because now I'm starting to get sick of doing my own nails constantly, especially at home with my kids and stuff. So they have this, it's their GelFX. You can just buy these sets. So these are the 2 colors that I got. One is a little bit, you know, like a maroon color, and one is more of that classic pink color because I tend to use those types of colors more when I get my nails done. And then you get this, it's an LED lamp. And I haven't tried it yet. It's not even open yet. And it's just 2 steps basically to get gel nails. So I'm excited about it. Another treatment that I think I'm getting it really down now, but I'm not happy about doing it at home, is my own hair color. I know I don't have a lot going on hair color wise, but I do love to get my hair colored, especially my roots. So my natural hair color is more of a medium brown, and if you see pictures of like Isla, for instance, that's more my hair color. What I've been doing is making my hair a little bit darker because I think it makes it just look so glossy and shiny and pretty. I don't know, I've just been really into that single tone, just dark, shiny hair. It just looks so healthy to me. And so I was getting that done regularly, but I do start to get roots, not to mention I start to get my white hairs also, but I start to get roots that look a little bit brassy. So I go every 6 weeks usually to get my hair colored, just to get that extra shine, and it helps me manage my hair too a little bit more when I'm blow drying it. So one thing that I did do is my hair colorist, Michaela, put together a whole kit because she knows my hair, she knows what I've been using on my hair because she does it every 6 weeks. So she put together an at-home kit for me, and that really, it kind of sucked. It was awesome that she put it all together for me and that she made it very straightforward and easy, but it just, you know, it's not fun. And I hope soon I'm just gonna go back to her because it's so much more fun to sit there in the salon with her and chat and also get my hair colored at the same time, and it just seems so easy. But what I also decided to do was get this. It's by Revlon. It's their Root Erase. I actually used to use this all the time, and Michaela's gonna actually flip out when she sees this video because she got me off of this stuff, but I'm going backwards in time. I think this is the easiest way to handle your roots at home instead of having to mix everything up, which is why I didn't like doing the whole at-home process in general. Instead of mixing it up, it actually comes in this really interesting tube because you just pump it and it has a little brush and you just apply it to your roots and you're good to go. It's not meant to be all over hair color, so if you're just doing your roots, this is perfect, and I actually really like this stuff. It's very, very easy to use. And last, I was inspired by James Welsh because I saw him do his own brow lamination. And you guys know, right before we went into quarantine, I was obsessed with laminating my brows. I had gotten a whole treatment done with London Fromson. I went back, I did more treatments with her. I loved it, and I loved the way my brows looked because they just looked so much fuller, and it was just so much easier to do my brows. So I got this off of Amazon, kind of just following along, just like James. I followed his whole tutorial, so there you go, James. And I'm gonna have a whole video that goes up on my personal channel where you see me using this kit. It's a really interesting kit because it's actually meant for eyebrow and lash lamination. I am not going to attempt to laminate my lashes whatsoever, or give myself a lash lift, I guess is what it would really be called. And don't get me wrong, once I can, I'm gonna go see London again because I just don't wanna do my own treatments when it comes to stuff like this. But in the meantime, there is this. It comes with everything that you need. It comes with the little spoolies that you need, and it even, for those of you that do want to do your lashes, it comes with these, which are going to help protect your eyes. But like I said, I'm just using this stuff for my brows. So I'm gonna have a whole video where you can see me doing that on my personal channel. I'm gonna vlog the whole thing. So those are the beauty treatments I'm doing at home right now in quarantine. A few of these things I'm gonna probably continue doing, but at the same time, you guys, I cannot wait to go get my hair done and to, you know, get back to being able to just see the people that I want to see. And a lot of the people in the beauty industry are my really good friends, so I miss them so much, and I cannot wait to get back in and get my beauty treatments done. I cannot wait for some Botox, you guys. I absolutely want it and need it. It has been way too long. I had pregnancy and then breastfeeding, and then now I'm just so ready, and then I got locked up inside. So I'm so ready to go out there and be the best version of myself. Tell me in the comments below what beauty treatments you've been doing at home. If there are any beauty treatments that you've decided you're just never gonna do again, I'd be curious to know about that stuff too. Find me in our private Facebook group. I'll leave a link below in our description box. I'm on Instagram at Susan Yara, TikTok, all of the things. Find me, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.